grade. Another kids.
Do you know how many people got 100%?
On that chart?
Yeah.
No.
No, you don't know. What happens if you don't get 100%?
You just don't get like a shirt or another thing.
Oh.
That's how it is.
That's how it is.
I was at 100% last year.
2 years in a row?
Yeah, last year in kindergarten, I was at 100%.
Wow, that is impressive. Good props.
I'm gonna try, in second grade, I'm gonna try to get at 100% too.
That'll be awesome. Nail 3 of them.
10, 4,
That's awesome.
5.
By the end of it, you'll have 12 years in a row.
Really?
Yeah. Whoa, squirrel.
Ah!
It's okay. It won't hurt you. It's a baby. Look at him. He's little.
It hurt me.
No, that won't hurt you. They're scared of us. Look at him. He's so little. It's pretty cute, actually.